Hello and welcome back. We now take an example from derivatives. The question is differentiate with respect to x the following function. The function given here is 4 times sine x into cos x. So let us name this function as y. Let y be equal to 4 times sine x into cos x. And now we differentiate with respect to x and we obtain dy by dx is equal to, now 4 is a coefficient, so we keep it as it is, into derivative of sine x into cos x. Now here we apply the product rule or the multiplication rule of derivatives. So we obtain 4 times, we have sine x into derivative of cos x plus cos x into derivative of sin x. So proceeding further, we get 4 times. We have sin x into, now derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of sin x is cos x. We have 4 times, now sin x into minus sin x is minus sine square x plus cos x into cos x is cos square x. Now if we just rearrange the term, we obtain 4 times cos square x minus sine square x, and we know that cos square theta minus sine square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So we could write this as 4 cos 2x. So this is the value for dy by dx.